Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can turn on live videos or how you can go live on Instagram. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my post currently on Instagram, and I'll be showing you how you can turn on live from pretty much any place on the app except for maybe Reels, but that really doesn't matter. Now, to go live, you can create a live yourself or you can join another one. You need to request people to add you as a co-host on their live for you to be able to join it and be live with them. However, if you want to start your own one, you need to go down into this plus icon, which you can see at the very bottom of your screen. Tap on that, and then at the bottom toolbar, as you can see, you have post, story, reels, and live. You just want to select live, and right under the play button, as you can see, you have these options where you can select who sees it. You can select everyone, you can select close friends, and you can select practice, which will be hidden and nobody will be able to see it. In my case, I'll keep it on practice. You can select everyone if you want to, and then once you've set everything up, you just need to press the play button, and as you can see, the countdown will start. And after that finishes and everything loads up, it'll take a couple of seconds. Once that's done, it'll start the live. As you can see, I'm now in a practice live, and this is what your UI will look like in a live video. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.